Alright guys, the next thing we're going to take a look at, and this is what you learned in class on Thursday. If you're looking at this on Wednesday, this is a little bit of a preview. So what we're going to find out today, yesterday we had to find the interior angle sum and then the angle of each individual, or I'm sorry, the measure of each individual angle of a regular polygon. In other words, that's when all the angles are the same. What we're going to do today is a little bit more complex. We're going to use the same skills from yesterday, but instead of having a regular polygon where all of the angles are the same, we're going to have an irregular polygon, so we don't know that all of the angles are the same. Okay, so taking a look at number 1 from the homework, we've got a shape that looks kind of like this. We are told that this is 105 degrees, this is 118, this is 75, this is 130, and this is my x. That's the angle I'm looking for. Okay. Now, we can actually find this because we know that this is a 5-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to use our same formula from yesterday to calculate what the total interior angles are going to add up to. Number of sides minus 2 times 180. We counted that we have 5 sides here. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 3 times 180 is 540 degrees. Okay. So the total of this polygon's interior angles is going to add up to 540 degrees. Okay. Now yesterday, this is where we're going to get different. Yesterday we just divided this by 5 angles, and that gave us our answer. Okay. The problem today is these are not equal angles, so we cannot just divide by 5. What we have to do instead is we have to add up the 4 that we know and the 1 that we don't know and set it equal to 540. So this is going to be just a little bit of algebra here to do this. So I'm going to take all of my angles and add them together. X plus 130 plus 75 plus 118 plus 105 all need to add up to 540 degrees. Okay. Now, when we add all this stuff together, we're going to get an x. Okay, we just bring that down, and then all 4 of these, okay, are going to add up to be 428. If I did that correctly, yep, 428. And then we set that equal to 440. And now we just have a one-step equation here. To get rid of a plus 428, we subtract 428 from both sides, leaving me with x on the left and 112 degrees on the right. So the missing angle measure all the way back here is 112 degrees. Okay, so we're taking our knowledge from yesterday, which was finding the interior angle sum, and then we're just extending it one step further. Instead of having even angles or angles that are all the same, we have different angle measures, and this is how we find it. Okay. So you're going to take a look at that on Thursday. Like I said, if you're watching this Wednesday night, this can be a little preview for you. Ms. Perschbacher should be able to explain any questions that you have. Thanks for watching.